So if you saw my last video, you saw how we give a quick clean without taking anything apart. We're going to give it a little bit deeper clean today. Again, you need the can duster and a paintbrush, and for this one we're going to take the side panels off. But before you take the side panel off, you must take your base off. And for this, lay your PlayStation on its side, grab a penny or a small coin or a screwdriver and undo. After you loosened it, hold on to your base, don't drop it. Put that aside somewhere. Now to open it, first of all, PlayStation logo, lift it up and back. For this you need a fair bit of force and hold on to here, this side. Okay, so we're going to put it here, we're going to hold on here, lift up, there and there, and it comes off. Nice and easy. Flip it to the other side, you can see there's dust in this one. So this is about 10 months old and it gets used approximately 15 to 20 hours. There's that corner, there's the disc, diagonally to the other side, lift up and push that way. So up, and holding the wrong place here, there we are, there we go, nice and easy. Alright, so here's your PlayStation 5, and what we're going to do, same again, just like the other video, with the brush, go around here, loosen everything up. Get your can sprayer and watch what comes out. Look through those gaps and you can see the blades becoming cleaner. The main system fan. And use the different angles to go to the different parts of the blade. And then do the same on this side. Do the back. And if you have a look in this gap here, you see how dusty that has got. And then, ready? Get your duster and blow in them. See that one there? Dust came out from there. Oh, that one, look at that. And there we are, clean. Now to put the base sides back on. So remember, this side with the disc up is there we are. So you want to put it on and then you want to slide it up there and slide it on to the other side. PlayStation logo here. Locate the point, press down, push up. Don't forget to put your base back on. So take the screw out, it's easier. Make sure the right way, there it hooks on. Location, it's actually easier to do this one upside down. There, make sure the screw's lined up, drop it in. Do the first bit with your hand. Get your lucky penny or your screwdriver, and there you go, guys. quick service, I would say do this service if your PlayStation is between, I would say, less than 1.5 years. I know it's only been out for 1 year, so this is the sort of service you would do. When your PlayStation gets more than 2, 3, 4 years, and if you use it a lot more than 20 hours a week, you'll need even a deeper service. When I come to do that, I will show you guys. So that will involve taking the fan off and other components inside off. Okay, hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment and a like, and the competition rules and things are coming up straight after this. Bye for now. So it's competition time, guys, and we're going to be giving away £50 or $50 Amazon voucher for the first prize, $20 or £20 for the second prize, and $10 or £10 for the third prize. Now the competition rules are: subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and the most important is leaving a comment. Comment about what you want to see, what you liked about the video, maybe what you didn't like, and from the comments your name will be entered into the prize draw, and it will close and the draw will be done when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So go ahead if you want to be part of that. Thank you so much, and best of luck everyone, and catch you on another video real soon.